Yes.
Hello, my name is Joseph from Neo Builders, and today we're showing off our brand new ADU 600 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom in Culver City. This was a garage conversion. The garage was existing 600 square feet, but in terrible shape. Tons of water damage. We did a complete stucco wrap, new roof, new foundation, new everything. We also did a concrete pad, which I'll show you. A lot of hardscaping and landscaping went into this project. The goal of this project was to split the lot into two. So we have the main house, as you can see in the front, and then we have the ADU that you can see in the back. Come check it out. First thing we have is our secondary address and another mailbox. This is going to be really nice because, again, feels like home, feels like a secondary address, feels like a secondary property. We did a vinyl fence here and some new hardscaping. So this whole thing is new. This was all dirt before. Again, vinyl fence just to keep separate, one unit here, one unit here. I'll give you a sneak peek of this project. This is the existing main home. We didn't really touch it. All we did here was pour concrete. Now, then we come into here. 3932A. So everything you see here is going to be for the tenant, going to be for the ADU, and going to be for the next person that lives in this beautiful 600 square foot ADU. So as you can see, we're having a little open house here. We have some donuts, we have some waters, we have some beers. We're excited for people to be here. We always have open houses after we finish our project because we love showing off our work. We're really confident in our work. We love building ADUs, so we're happy to be here. The first thing I'll show you is the stucco. Most people are doing white stucco right now. We did a bit of a bluer stucco, like a dove gray stucco. You know, a finished sand for the stucco, and new paint on the baseboards, new gutters here. Before we go in, I want to show you the outside space. Again, concrete here. We have a new water tank, a new water heater. We also have a new AC unit, new gas pipe, and I'll show you later in the video, I'll show you how we separated the gas. So we actually have 2 gas meters. We actually have 2 electrical meters and 2 water meters. So we really separated all utilities in this ADU Culver City. New concrete here. We also have a gate. We also have a gate to the alley, and right now we're in the parking spot area, so it's really nice for cars to just come in through the gate, park right here, and be able to have their own separate privacy area. I want to show you guys right here 2 separate meters, electrical meters. And this is our sub panel. This is actually our main panel. So again, we have our ADU and we have our main house, and then we have our setback, which we're always going to do our setback. And there was actually no block wall here. There was no block wall here, so we actually created this block wall, which is really important for the homeowner. Again, gutters are going to come out here. There's a pad over here to collect all of the water and push it out through the house. Put this block just to make sure that no cars hit our AC unit, because that would be bad. Exterior sconces. I'm in love with all these exterior sconces. Make sure, because of Title 24, that these sconces are going to be LEDs. And then let's actually go inside the house. Hi guys, welcome. This is a 600 square foot ADU in Culver City. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. The first thing you'll see is our living room. Again, massive living room. It's 12 by 20 square feet. It's a huge living room. As you can see, we have all of our plugs 6 feet apart. We have our media hub that goes into our attic, which will make sure that there won't be any wires hanging out. All of the HDMI cables and everything goes straight to the attic, which is really, really important. Just it's not that important, it's actually just for aesthetics. As you walk into here, we have tons of space. We have a 26 linear foot kitchen. We have our washer dryer right here. We have our fridge. We ended up going with a smaller fridge than intended, just because Home Depot, Lowe's, everyone was out of stock of the bigger fridge that we initially wanted. We got a smaller fridge, which is really nice. Custom cabinets, as you can see. Custom cabinets. We also did a dual color, so we have a white, the white on top and a dove gray on the bottom. We have our dishwasher, which is not standard in most of my ADUs, but it is standard in these bigger ADUs, especially if you have such a big linear foot kitchen. We have our sink, it's 24 inches. We have our Lazy Susans up here. And down here, we have our Lazy Susans. Same thing up here. Just for tons and tons of storage space. Subway tile all the way up for the backsplash. We also did a platinum for our grouts. This countertop is a prefabricated countertop, quartz countertop from BCS. We have our 30-inch oven, 5-burner. We have our microwave, and also doubles as a microwave hood, which is really important to save some space. A lot of times I'm using this microwave hood. If you plan on buying this microwave, you can go check out our How to Build a Tiny Kitchen on our website. You can find this exact microwave in 24 inches and 30 inches and in 36 inches. Again, soft close, as you can see. And then we had some extra space. Initially, we were thinking about this window and this area as being our breakfast area, our breakfast nook. But we ended up saying that the owner intends for a working person to be living in here, and they want a work from home space. So we ended up doing this during our COVID peak times. Again, we had a nice little 6 feet to play with. We decided to do something a little bit different. Quartz countertop, a little workspace, a little bit lower, which is really, really nice. Let's go into the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. It's 5 by 8 initially, but I'll show you a secret surprise that we also did. But basically, these are the showers that I built. These are the bathrooms that I built. We have our vanity that's around 36 inches. This can be played with anywhere between 24 and 36 inches is my favorite. Our toilet has a 30-inch. Our toilet has 30 inches on center to make sure that we're in code. And then our shower. Our shower is really nice, frameless shower glass. We're doing a lot of benches now, which is really cool. Tile, floor to ceiling, shower niche of the same size as my window, which is going to be 2 by 3, same niche size. Everything very straight lines. We're loving the straight lines lately. Again, tile floor to ceiling. We can do a shower head, we can do single head, we can do double head. Just really depends on what the homeowner wants, you know, what exactly their dream shower is. We also do a lot of tubs, and the hexagons that we did here are really in style. Thank you to our designers for helping us pick out all the finishes. Our designers are very, very key to the process. I wanted to show you a secret surprise. So basically, we always have 5 by 8, but we had so much space in the 600 square foot ADU that we also did a linen closet here. And just, again, custom storage spaces to make sure that you have enough space for linens and for everything that you need. We don't usually do this because our ADUs are usually smaller than this, but when we have room, we like to put things in the correct places, save space, have an easier time. Storage is really important for these tiny homes. So this is something that's nice and special. And then our bedroom. Our bedroom is again about 140 square feet, including the closet. It's huge. Again, we have our media space right here. We have an attic access up there. We have a fan. We have 4 recessed lights, 4-inch recessed lights. We also have smoke detectors and central AC. Our closet is 30 square feet. This closet is massive. So it's 10 feet by 3 feet. We did a bit of closet work here, but no custom millwork on this one. Glass panel at the end, and then we'll walk out. Yeah, again, this is one of the nicer ADUs that we have. 600 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, central AC, separate utilities, separate gas, separate water, separate electrical, bathroom that's around 45 square feet, washer dryer in kitchen, 26 linear foot kitchen. We're excited to build ADUs. We like building ADUs. We're having a good time here. So if you want to build an ADU, if you want to turn your garage into a home, if you want to do a new construction, if you're in the Los Angeles area, LA County, Culver City, we've done an ADU in Beverly Hills, we've done an ADU in Burbank, we've done an ADU in Glendale. We're excited to be building these things. Call us, Neo Builders. I'm Joseph. Thanks for having us, guys. Like and subscribe.